Hello and welcome to Aces Associated. Today, myself, Lxckz, and sadly invited one of our grinders, Zaxy, to attempt the Grey Loot Only Challenge in Fortnite Ranked. Now, if you do enjoy today's video, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like on the video. It helps us out a whole lot, and if you don't want to miss future uploads from the members and the main channel uploads, you can join our Discord and find all of that in there. Anyway, let's get to the video.
Yeah, it was a grey.
I have literally nothing. I have nothing grey.
I killed one. I'm gonna push onto that.
Hey Zaxy, what color is the weapon that you're using?
It is grey, sir.
Good.
Oh yeah, I heard
Yeah,
that. Hit him 30.
Oh, that's me.
Cracked him.
Fuck, just shot at me.
Killed one.
I ain't got a shotgun anymore.
One grappling up slow. Killed one.
I ain't got a shotgun anymore.
One grappling up slow. The FTS skin.
Oh my god.
Oh, FPS got
I kill that kid, kill that kid. Help. Hey. Someone you do you need help?
Cracked one.
Good one.
Wait, musty. Again.
Killed one.
Let's get one tap on me if you want to shoot him.
I hit him 5.
That's good shit.
Wait, you got a grey eyes on me, dickhead? No, you don't, cunt. You got a great mammoth pistol me in.
Cracked one.
Good one.
Wait, it's musty. Again.
Killed one.
61. Good. Oh,
Are you good?
Yeah, I killed the other.
Alright, perfect.
Good shit, bro.
Wait, I've just clipped this shit out of that kid, cunt.
Holy shit!
Wait, this kid
He
fucking...
just.
Runs Zaxy.
Did you do? What the hell?
Right, wait, somehow he edited my ramp, cunt. I'm a bit baffled. I'm a bit baffled.
Was that
at the
actually
fuck, man.
yours?
Yeah, that was my ramp.
Killed one.
61. Good.
Are you good?
Yeah, I killed the other.
Alright, perfect.
Good,
Wait, you got a
That's
carry on for me, dickhead? No, you don't. Got a great mammoth pistol me.
I got two on me.
I kill that kid, kill that kid. Help. Hey. Someone you do you need help?
Cracked one.
Good one.
Wait, it's musty. Again.
Killed one.
61. Good.
Not the better one, but still good. That'll do, donkey, that'll do. Ooh, no kill on me. 30, 30, cracked, 60 wide.
30 white.
It's on this shit then. By my calculations, it should be.
Dead.
Is dead.
It's good shit.
Three strike.
I'm gonna boom you, I'm gonna boom you. 30 wide, 30 wide, 30 wide twice on that kid.
Wait, ping.
Da-da-da.
Nice.
Kid's over here.
I got mammoth. Yep. Shocked. One dead.
Right here.
30. Nice. Coming in.
24 points.
Get 140.
Cracked him, 50 wide, dead.
Nice.
Cracked.
31 what? Bad aim.
Dead.
Good shit.
Damn, Zaxy's going crazy.
Yeah, it's going good. Wait, he's done better than you, Harry, mate.
It's so weird, bro.
One in the building below me. Ready that one.
Good landing on her. Dead.
I'm in the building below me. Ready that one.
Good landing on her. Dead.
That kid's cracked. Nice.
I cracked 2 up here.
Oh, come.
Someone here, yeah, right here. In front of me.
Xdjy YT. One HP. I'm in. Dead.
Oh, is it God
Oh,
just
there's some
some
G, man. Love you. Okay. 60 watt, 120.
I'm dead. One dead.
Jesus.
Nice. That one gliding into the teammate as well.
Another one dead.
Dead one. 60 watt, 120. I'm
dead. One dead.
Jesus.
Nice. That one gliding into the teammate as well.
Another one dead.
Done.
Team here, they just got a kill. Person out in the water over there. Ethan, 20 white.
Yeah,
Oh, I'm
yeah.
coming.
This is a full squad.
I don't have anything to get up to you, Tyson.
Literally. My fault if I die here anyway. 91 on 1.
25 on Kid Leroy. 50 white on that guy.
17 on one.
Please be a make it. Yes, he had to make it.
I got my kids.
Damn, bro. This kid over here in the bush. 20 watt.
Someone's sneaking up right there, Tyson, yeah.
He's 20 watt.
Dead. 80 in the bush, 80 in the bush. Cracked him on you.
42 watt in the bush.
Oh, bush is literally one.
Oh my god, bro. Yeah, I just killed 3 people, bro. It was a bit of a...
Crack him down. Cracked him. Dead.
Nice.
Wait, that was kind of clean.
That was good aim, bro. This kid over here in the bush. 20 watt.
Someone's sneaking up right there, Tyson, yeah.
He's 20 watt.
Dead.
This kid over here in the bush. 20 watt.
Someone's sneaking up right there, Tyson, yeah.
He's 20 watt.
Dead.
Good shit. Get on the
80
tree on me.
80 in the bush. Cracked him on you.
42 watt in the bush.
Dead.
Oh, bush is literally one.
Oh my god, bro.
What the fuck?
It's on there? No. Dead.
Nice.
Nice.
Fucking shit.
You hit him for like 3 damage, Zaxy.
No, I got him white. I had him 30 white.
Holy hell, count.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Never mind.
No,
it's
no,
back.
he's here.
Wait, 2 great guns will start. W.
I got some baddies. Sick.
got
I get a great shotgun upside. Let's go.
We're allowed to use mobility, right? Or
Great
Oh,
items
do we
only,
keep
bro.
mobility?
Great items only. No.
come in here. Dead.
You're so weird, bro.
I need mats. You got mats?
No, 1 HP on me. He's popping a mini on my body. Nice, Zaxy.
Wait, Lxckz one.
Can I get a res, boys?
Cracked. 50. He's one, nice. Nice. 50. He's one, nice. Nice.
I can't grab any.
50.
Oh, I'm dead. There's no way.
Grappling onto you.
They're grappling me.
40 white, 40 white. Dead the one pushed
Below
Tyson.
the rampage. Oh, gift only boy. Thirty watt. Oh, no. 30 watt. Oh, no, 30 watt. Cracked him.
Dead.
He's 1
Oh,
HP.
find this wall.
That's one.
Dead.
He's 1 HP.
Oh, find this wall.
111.
He's one.
Dead.
Nice.
Oh, I suppose.
We got any more?
Kids inverted. Yeah, but on the recording it says 21 kids inverted.
15 white. Cracked. Dead.
Cracked one.
Dead. Cracked.
I
Dead.
went for the
Where
fifth.
is he?
Dead.
Bro, he's so weird.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, it's no way it didn't close.
Alright, there you have it. The Grey Loot only challenge in Fortnite Ranked. It was a lot of fun to record and we all hope you enjoyed it too. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and if you want, join our team Discord. Peace.